it's Sheila from Thompson Leisure and I am back with a very exciting new WILDAX to show you. Behind me here is the new WILDAX ALTAIR RS. It also comes as an RL and that stands for the layout of the rear of the vehicle. So this one has rear singles, it also comes with a rear lounge. What is extremely unique to this vehicle, there's no gas, none. It's all electric with a diesel engine, but as a home, it's all electric. So let's hop right in and have a look. So as I mentioned, it is all electric, no gas. So of course you have a lovely induction hob right here as well, taking you to your sink. This vehicle comes with lithium batteries and solar panels, so you can actually go off the grid for as long as you want and you'll have full power because it's all electric, no gas. Over here is your seating area. And of course there is a table. Moving to the front of the cab, this is on a MAN chassis. So lovely multifunctional steering wheel there. This is an automatic as well. And then you have your massive touchscreen with your sat nav, all of your CarPlay apps, and then your aircon below that. Moving down the vehicle again, you do have a lovely full fridge with freezer selection there as well. And then just above that is your microwave built in as well. I'll show you the bathroom in a second, but moving back down the vehicle, here is your single beds. Of course, there is a step ladder for you to get up here because it is quite high, but it also means you have a nice large garage. Here's the makeup for two singles. This piece does move out of the way, like so. And then you can move this piece down along the track and this creates a large double bed, which I'll show you now. Isn't that so nice? You can sleep long ways, you can sleep lengthways, whatever way you want. It's nice and comfy. And of course there is a fixed TV in the back here as well, along with multiple USB plug-in points on the bed and in the lounge. And this is your bathroom, nice toilet, lovely big mirror there as well as additional storage, and then your shower head is down below as well. So when you're ready for a shower you just pull that up and plug it in place. This step also comes and it's secure in the boot, and you'll see a lovely awning there along the top as well. As I did mention, there is a ton of storage in this vehicle and it's just round here. You'll also find the batteries are stored here as well, and there's just some amount of kit in here. It's really, really impressive. But again, you have that lovely large storage, and you can see, you know, I could sleep in here. I could go on the holiday with you. It's fine, just put a wee double bed, a wee single bed in there. And that's really it now, that is everything. There is a ton of spec that I haven't even listed in this video, and if it is something of interest to you, please reach out to me. I'd be more than happy to go into more detail on this. You can contact me directly, 028 9269 3999. You can drop me an email at marketing@thompsonleisure.com or drop a message in the comments and I'll pick all them up as well. And I'll see you in the next